This is engineering at its finest. We are a group of first and second year CSC majors, and our project is called Farms to Buckeyes. It's basically an app where we're trying to connect our farmers to our customers by cutting out the middleman and cutting out the weird retail markups and all of that. So our plan is to get fresh produce to as many houses as possible by creating an online interface where you can connect with your farmers within your area, or if you want to get them from a distance away, that's up to you. And be able to get your produce from the source. That's also going to help people with certain questions about pesticides who want to know how they're grown. This kind of cuts out all those uncertainties about how food produce is sourced and helps people really get to meet those farmers and understand what those farmers do. And also it helps farmers because then farmers can actually get a better income. A lot of the research that we've seen is that farmers don't have proper living wages 90% of the time. A lot of farmers live within 30K or 30 to 25K a year, which is definitely not a sustainable wage at this point in time in the US, especially with inflation. So our app shows a couple of different pages. You can make up to 2 profiles. One is the shopper. So then you would log in, create an account, and then on the next page after that, you would be able to see farmers within your area after you insert like the radius acceptable. So like however your radius of miles around you from where you're willing to either go pick up food from or get food delivered from. And you can see kind of what the farmers are posting, so what produce they have, or how they source it, if it's locally grown, how all of that works. And then if you are a farmer and want to post your food, you can log in and create an account through the farmer tab on the menu bar, and then you'd be able to post, be able to create whatever you want the price to be, and you would also have the ability to actually see those wages come in. So when people order from you, you will be able to see like those deposits and see those payments come in directly to you. And so this kind of cuts out that middleman, so they don't really get a cut of the profit, they get a majority of the profit, which will really help our farmers out. So definitely right now it is a web application, but we do hope to soon transition it to a mobile application. So we made a little mock-up of what it would possibly look like if we had more time. So this is our sign-up page. So if you press sign up, you can enter an email, which I'm just going to put a random one in just for time's sake, and a password, and then my name. And so then we sign up and it brings us to the home page where you can press through the tabs. So we have the shopper, and as we mentioned before, you can search by zip code, find your farmers near you, all those kinds of things. And so definitely this UI is a lot better than the one that we had before. So this is definitely some improvements that we'd love to make. So yeah, thank you for listening to our project, and we hope you like it.